What are TikTok Shop cross-channel sales tools? TikTok Shop cross-channel sales tools are digital solutions that help sellers manage, synchronize, and scale their sales across multiple e-commerce platforms while integrating TikTok as a key marketing and conversion channel. These tools allow sellers to connect their TikTok shop with other marketplaces like Amazon, Shopify, and eBay, ensuring product listings, inventory, pricing, and order data stay consistent across all platforms. The goal is to streamline operations and boost sales through a unified system. These tools enable sellers to track performance, analyze trends, and maintain accurate stock levels across channels. Using platforms like Helium 10, sellers can monitor which products perform best on TikTok compared to other marketplaces, evaluate pricing strategies, and identify new sales opportunities. This ensures a cohesive selling experience and better data insights for growth. Successful sellers use Helium 10's analytics alongside cross-channel integrations to expand their reach. For example, they might promote their Amazon or Shopify products on TikTok while tracking performance metrics through Helium 10's profit and keyword tools. This approach combines social-driven marketing with traditional e-commerce optimization to maximize exposure and sales. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to cross-channel management tools that help you integrate, analyze, and grow your TikTok shop and multi-platform business with precision and ease.